What's up, guys, and welcome back to another Tip Tuesday. If you guys have any lipsticks laying around that of course aren't expired yet but aren't performing the way they did when you got them new, don't throw them away. I'm going to show you how to save your makeup. Also, the glossy eye trend is taking Instagram over by storm. I'm going to show you an affordable way to achieve that look with many colors at your disposal. What you're going to need is a loose pigment, a glitter, or even a broken piece of eyeshadow that you can break into a powder, some face oil or primer oil, a bowl, and a brush. For the other tip, you're going to need your face oil or primer oil and your makeup that you need to have refurbished. You can also use a cup with hot water. This is a lipstick that I have that's on its way out the door, so I wanted to use this one as an example. As you can see, it is patchy and dry, and it wouldn't be able to be applied to the lip properly. You're going to take a few drops of your oil. I'm using Inglot Duraline. I'll leave some affordable options down below for you guys as well. You're going to put the cap back on and you're going to shake this sucker up. You want to get the oil to gel with the product and make sure it all moves around and mixes properly. Take the cap off and test it and see if it's okay. And as you can see, my lipstick has returned itself back to new. This can also be done with mascara or even gel liners. When you do add the oils to the product, make sure you start off small, do a couple of drops first, and then build your way up as needed. If you overdo it, you'll ruin the product. So just keep that in mind, to start off slow and gradually increase if you need. Put the cap back on and shake up that product nice and good. The hot water in the cup you can also do with mascara or a liquid lipstick. You can heat up your water and then put the component into the hot water and let it soften the product. But I prefer this method better. For the glossy eye look, you want to add some of your drops into a little bowl and then take your powdered pigment or powdered eyeshadow. I'm using a MAC loose pigment here. And you're going to take your brush and mix the product thoroughly. Again, with this step, you want to start off slow and add more Duraline if you need it. You also can add just straight glitter to the product without a pigment. You could crush up an eyeshadow as well, but this is the achieved look with a loose pigment. So there you have the finished product, and this is what it would look like on the eye. And it's a beautiful sheen with a beautiful gloss. You could always add more. This won't dry down, and it's not something that you would wear every day, but it will get you that glossy look, and you can use any color eyeshadow you have at your disposal. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next Tip Tuesday. Love you guys. Bye.